We're the girls from Kukla's Cucina. I'm Jackie.
I'm Joanne.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're finishing up It's a Wrap week with our Legume Phyllo-Burrito.
Yeah, and it's as good as it sounds.
Yeah,
it's gonna be fun.
We're using a lot of beans
Yeah.
in this recipe, and we're gonna wrap it up like a little burrito with our contos phyllo. Love contos because they send us the freshest product,
Really,
right?
really fresh, yeah. And we're using number 7 today, but
Number
you can also
7, yeah.
use number 4 and number 5.
You just would have to use
few
more
more
sheets.
sheets, yeah.
So we're gonna start off.
We've got some mixed nuts here. We've got cashews and pistachios and almonds. So we're gonna put those in our food processor. And we also have some chickpeas. So these are rinsed and drained really well.
Okay.
So we're gonna pulse these until they are coarsely chopped. That looks good, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
so
Now we're
going to, yeah. Okay, so these are ready to go.
And so in here, we have some lentils that we have prepared. And what you want to do is just have your lentils with a bay leaf and some vegetable broth. And you want to cook it for about 30 to 40 minutes until the lentils are tender. And then you want to drain any excess liquid that you have in your pot.
Yeah, we don't want the phyllo to get soggy, so we want that liquid out. So we're going to add our chopped nuts and chickpeas to our lentils. So you have 2 different legumes here that's going to give you a nice flavor. Okay? And the nuts, of course, are going to add a nice crunch to your burrito.
And then to that, we're going to add some red bell pepper, some chopped plum tomato, and scallions.
And now it's time to season it up. We've got some sea salt and some Aleppo pepper. Add that in there. There you go. And we're going to do about a tablespoon of olive oil here.
Just a little drizzle to give it a little,
Yeah, to hold
little
it
bit of
together.
flavor.
Yeah. How's that looking, Jackie?
Okay. That's nice and mixy.
You want to make sure you don't have the liquid in there,
Right.
you know?
So now while she's doing that, we are going to take our phyllo. Again, we're using our number 5 contos. And you always want to keep your phyllo covered because it will dry out. And whatever you're using, we're using just extra virgin olive oil to moisten our phyllo.
And make sure you've preheated your oven. We've got ours at 375. This doesn't take long to make, so you want your oven ready and your burrito going in as soon as you've wrapped it.
Okay, we're going to take another sheet and put that on top.
Okay. It helps if you have a second person just lifting up the towel.
Yeah.
That's beautiful phyllo.
You know, see how fresh it is? It's not cracking, it's not tearing.
It's a very easy phyllo to work with.
It is.
And we've worked with a lot of them. Not so easy.
Okay. Just brush this. It's forgiving, so you don't have to be exact with how you place it.
You just need to work quickly because phyllo dries out pretty fast once it's out of the package.
But then when you're done with your phyllo, you can always wrap it up really good, put it back in its plastic wrap,
Yeah.
and back in the fridge. You can keep it for a few days. Okay, we're just going to use 2.
Yeah.
And what you can do with that is check some of our older videos and we show you how to use your excess
That was
phyllo.
our leftover phyllo
Right.
solutions
Right.
segment.
Okay, you can put some in there. A little more.
Some more.
Oh, that's pretty.
A little more. Yeah, we want this to be a nice.
This is a meal burrito.
Yeah, this is a meal burrito.
And it's packed with protein, like really good, healthy, earthy protein.
And that's good. Great. There we go. Okay, so what we're going to do is now we're going to just roll it.
So you want to
Roll
just
it like
cover
that.
your filling like that.
And then we're going to brush these sides here so that they stays sealed. Oh, there's our
A
oven is ready.
good rule of thumb is when your phyllo, when you see it's dry, after you fold it over, you have to brush that dry phyllo. It keeps it from drying out, and it also makes it very flaky.
There we go. And now we're just gonna roll. Okay, and then you're just gonna brush the outside.
Brush it
and
really
the
well.
sides. Okay, we're just gonna place it
that's
on our pan.
Ready for the oven.
And we're gonna put it right in the oven.
We're going to bake it up and then show you the finished product.
Yeah. And our burrito now is all cooked, and this is what it looks like.
Golden brown.
Golden brown.
Throughout.
And we're just gonna cut it on a diagonal. That nice crunch. And it's still very hot. Place it on here. And there you have it. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. Legume Phyllo-Burrito. Kaliorixi.
Kaliorixi.